I just want to quickly go over what I think about people trying to profit from this horrible corona pandemic that we are passing through right now. Like that person that bought 70,000 hand sanitizer bottles from stores in his area, and he tried to sell them on eBay and Amazon for profit. We were still at the early stages of the corona pandemic, and the person jumped in on the wagon and tried to make profit from the pandemic. What happened? Amazon and eBay, they shut the person down. They told him it's morally incorrect to make a profit from people's agonies. It's morally incorrect to use the pandemic to make a profit. And now the person is stuck with 70,000 hand sanitizer bottles in his garage. The reason I'm talking about this topic today is because this morning I logged into YouTube, and on my recommendations list, I see a video with a lady that has a mask, iPad Rehab. I have nothing against iPad Rehab. I have no personal issues with iPad Rehab. I respect her. I respect what she does. What I did is I clicked on the video because I'm following the corona news. I want to see what's going on, what she's talking about, and if everything is okay. She's talking about how she's using safety measures, what she's doing, what she's not doing, how business is, and all that stuff, until she got up to the point where she said that her team is sewing masks, and the masks will be sold on her website for $12 a piece. Making a profit from this pandemic. Making a profit from this pandemic. It's morally incorrect to make a profit from what's going on out there. We are passing through very hard times. People are dying from this pandemic. There are a lot of people out there who lost a family member to the corona. People are on ventilators fighting for their life. People are getting infected with the corona every single day. And there's the other side who is trying to profit from all of what's going on right now. I mean, if you have the capability to create a lot of masks and you have a team helping out with the masks, why not give it out for free? What is it going to cost you? It's going to cost you a piece of cloth, and it's going to cost you some time. What would you gain? You may be passing a positive message that humans are still working together, that there's still good in this world. You may save a life. You may make people feel at ease. It's like when you give out charity, you feel good. When you help out the poor, you feel good. When you give from your own pocket, you feel good. But do not profit by selling masks. And the thing that bothered me the most, and again, I do not have anything against her. I respect her. I respect what she does. But the thing that bothered me is she had the mask throughout the whole video. She's sitting in an empty room. Nobody is there, and corona is not going to be found in thin air. She had the mask throughout the whole video. She's advertising the mask so she can sell it on the website. It's morally incorrect to make money using the pandemic. Morally incorrect. Even YouTube, even if I want to post this video on YouTube, if I have the word corona in the title, YouTube is not going to monetize the video. They're going to tell me you cannot make money of that video because it's morally incorrect to make money using the pandemic. I don't know. I may be wrong. Maybe the way I see things is not correct. Maybe she has another point of view. If she has the mask on or using the mask for a reason other than advertising the mask, I totally apologize. Okay, maybe she has allergies, maybe whatever the case may be, but the way it seems is she has the mask on, and then she mentions that her team is working on creating masks, and then she shows you the website where you can buy the mask, and it's $12 per mask. And the other thing is her friend, the 1 million subscriber guy, who cannot say one full sentence without using profanity or cursing. Now he jumped up to the next level. Now he's using graphical profanity. Now he's being graphical. He's using adult toys on his thumbnails to get people in. Why? 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 Why no consideration for youngsters who will be looking at this video? Why no consideration for the next generation who will be listening and watching? Again, we hit bottom low on human decency. I mean, what's next? The guy's probably going to take a picture of his ass and put it on the thumbnail. Everybody has a crack, so why is it wrong? I don't know. I may be seeing things my way, but it's wrong. I do not know what everybody else thinks, but it's wrong. It's wrong from all angles, from all levels. It's not good, not good, not good. We hit rock bottom in being decent. We hit rock bottom in having no morals anymore. I mean, everybody is trying to pull the rope to his own side. Everybody's trying to pull the rope to his own side, not caring about the other side. Not caring if the other person dies or not. Not caring about if the other person is hungry or not. Me, as long as I'm good, I do not care about the other. That's where we are right now. And this has to change. We all have to work together. We all have to care about each other. This world has become a jungle, honestly. This world has become a jungle where animals, they eat each other. I don't know, maybe I think different. Maybe I'm not seeing things the right way. I do not know what you think. I would like to hear about what you think, but I'll just end it here, and that's just my 2 cents.